Everyone, let's go ahead and check if we have Python installed on a Mac machine. Press Command Space to open search. Here type terminal, hit enter. Inside the terminal, all you need to do is type Python, hit enter, and we can see that we have Python 2.7 installed. Python version 2 is discontinued as of January 2020, so it is not recommended. You can see the warning here as well. Right, so we need to check if we have Python 3 installed. This command only going to bring you to the default Python that you have on your Mac, but you might as well have Python 3, maybe even Python 4 if you're watching video in the future, Python 6, 7, who knows, right? So what we need to do, we need to exit out from Python console first, type quit, open and close parentheses, hit enter. This time type Python again, but append 3 to it, okay? And maybe it's going to be 4 in the future, who knows, yeah, but as of now we're concerned with Python version 3 only. So let's do that, hit enter. Okay, much better. So we see that we have Python 3.6 installed. On the same line we can check the release date. It's June 16. Wow, it's exactly 3 years before. Okay, today is July 16, 2020. Okay, so version is old, but not that old. We're going to go with the latest one. What we're going to do, we're going to exit out and head over to internet and download the latest version. Before we do that, let's head over to our Windows machine, which I have conveniently on the other screen. The process is pretty much similar to Mac computers. All you need to do is open command prompt. For that you need to type CMD in the search bar. CMD is the shortcut for command prompt. Hit enter. Okay, do the same thing. Type Python inside the command prompt and hit enter. Alright, you see it was empty. But what Windows 10 is going to do is going to bring you right to the Microsoft Store, because it actually knows what you want. And it tells you like, hey, we don't have that, but how about you just go ahead and conveniently install it from our Microsoft Store. Convenient, right? But guys and gals, I would not trust this, right? It might not be the latest version. Nothing major, nothing critical, you can still install it, but you want to go with the latest and greatest, right? So what we're going to do, we're going to Google latest Python version and install it. Okay, I cannot type Python download. You can Google it or you can Bing it, whichever one you prefer. Okay. So here, as you can see, Edge singled out this website because it's trusted source, and I know python.org is your go-to site. All right, so you want to click on that one. Let's go and see. It's going to recognize your operating system. The version of Python for Python is OS agnostic, so it should be, as far as I know, it should be the same version across all platforms: Windows, Mac, Linux. Here we can see that the latest version they offer is 3.8.4. Here we have 3.8. It might as well pull the latest version, but we don't know for sure, right? So what I would do, I would just go with this route.